lovely demo friends, and welcome to Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room. I am coming to you with a fun new class today. It's got a super big wow project, which I hope you're really going to like. I'm very excited about it. So let me go over to the downward facing camera and show you more about this class. Right, so I'm calling this class Music and More. It does feature the Enjoy the Rhythm stamp set, although to be honest, you could probably switch out for any music stamps, but I do love these new Enjoy the Rhythm ones. So I have included a few of these, particularly in some of the cards. But I've got some more 3D-ish projects that could be done with or without this particular stamp set. The other thing I am featuring is the Merry Melodies embossing folder. That is this one here, which is as I'm filming in the current big book. But again, a music embossing folder or even a music background stamp would also work for this. Right, let's have a little look through. We'll start off with the simple cards because there's some stuff that is going to be a little bit more involved. So let's start simple stamping. We've got a guitar card, we've got a drums card, and I've got some tips for colouring with these and a keyboard card. Then we have a acoustic guitar card, I'm calling this, with a little pick there, and this is quite good. It does make you want to strum the strings, the strings on there. So I put it in a cello bag so my ladies don't strum them too much. But yeah, it's a fun one. Then we've got, this is project number, what are we up to? 5. We have got this one here, which pops up to be a pop-up piano with music notation on a little stand. So we've got that one. And then we have the star of the show or wow project. Now I've got 2 versions of this. I've got a graduation one, and then I've also got a kind of a more generic theatre, musical, cinema type one. And you're thinking, what is she talking about? So let's take the lids off. We'll start with this one, and I'll come on to what's different with the grad one. Ta-da! And what we have here is a little theatre. Now, my husband and I gave each other tickets for the Mousetrap, which is where all this sort of came from. So Agatha Christie's, the world's longest running play that is still showing in London, is playing in London, and we are going to see that shortly. But I made some little tickets, and I've actually got a scene from the Mousetrap inside this theatre, and these cute little seats, look. How fab is that? So a fantastic thing to give. You could give it with theatre tickets, or you could give it with cinema tickets, or just a fun thing to show. Great for musicals if you want to add some more kind of musical stuff on there. That would be good too. So let's put this one aside and show you what I thought for the grad one, because what I was thinking is this is also like an auditorium, and I don't know about the graduation ceremonies where you are, but often in the UK ours would be in an auditorium. So we've got a little hat with a tassel, so I'm showing you how to do all of that. A little mortarboard there, and we lift it off, and as that goes, I had it the wrong way round, that comes out. Again, we've got the auditorium, and this time class of 2023 is inside on the stage, and you could put a money gift or a sort of a little congratulatory note in there, whatever you would like. So those are the projects. do you like it as much as me? I really hope you do. Now, if you would like to teach this class, you can do so. Included in the class, which is the online class that you will receive by email, will be videos for each and every one of those projects, all showing you how to do them step by step. We have all the measurements worked out suitably for US letter and A4 sizing. We have a complete cutting list that breaks down everything you need to cut and prep to teach the class or to make it for yourself. Also, we have an ordering list if you are ordering everything that you need for the class to teach. So I've included the ordering list as well. I've done you some photography too, so a no logo photo. If you want to use that for advertising, you can put your own logo on that. And also there will be photos for you to use for reference when you're actually teaching or when you're making the projects for yourself. So I'll include those too. I think you are really going to love making these projects, and I think any recipient, particularly of the exploding box, it is such a big wow of a project. So I am sure you and your customers are going to love it. So if you would like to order the class, you can look for the link down below if you're watching from within my Ready Set Demo blog. The link is down below to pay by PayPal. It's just £10, which is anywhere between $11 and $14 US usually, depending on what exchange rates and PayPal are doing on any given day. But have a little look down below for the link, and I will ping the class straight over to you to your email box, so you can start making at once if you would like to. If you're watching on YouTube, again, look in the description box below, the little drop down arrow, and you will see a link to Ready Set Demo. Or in fact, just Google Ready Set Demo and click the class tab, and you'll see a list of all the classes that I currently have available. Lots of fancy folds and technique classes and things as well. So wishing my fellow demonstrators all the best for, whilst I'm filming now, it's the new year 2023, but whenever you are watching this video, wishing you love, see you and thanks for visiting Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room today.